first. Maybe I should do it first. Hello guys, this is Krish and this is Tabby and this is a Thrifty Tabby. We are gathered here today to stuff for the first time in March 2024. So I decided to switch things a little bit and make them a little bit different this time. So I hope that you are going to enjoy the new type of stuffing. So in this envelope, I have money for the first stuffing and we will see how much is there. So there are some coins left from the previous month, not much. We'll see how it will go. Okay, let's count this money. 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750, 850, 950, 1050, 1100. Should I count it this way? 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600. That's one of the ways we can count it. So yeah, it's 1,600 over there and some coins left over. So let's see what we can do with this money. Oh my God, look at this. Looks terrible. Okay. So there is not much money. So let's grab the first binder. I forgot the word. And then we'll see how it's going to go. So the first envelope is usually dining out, but I'm going to leave it in the end and we'll see how much we have left over. Transportation this month is going to be stuffed in, it's going to be left on the bank account. So transportation is on the bank account, so I'm not stuffing transportation this month. Pets are going to get 100. Here we go. Medical is going to have 100, so health is going to have 100. Oh, we have some money left over. Cool. So I'm just gonna take it because we don't need coins in this envelope. So health is getting 100. And then smile, which is a new envelope for my braces, is going to have 100. So this is it. Smile, health, pets. Transportation is stuffed on a bank account. Food is stuffed on a bank account. So the money is left on a bank account. So what we're gonna stuff as well is going to be bills and dining out. So we need 800 for bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 800 is for the bills, and for dining out, going out, whatever that is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So this is it. And that goes straight to my wallet. Because we use it with my husband when we go out together. Okay, so that was it. So transportation is done on the bank account, pets are done, health is done, smile is done, and the rest is going to be stuffed in another stuffing. And here we have money left over for the bills, which is here. So January is over, February is over. There is nothing left in February. We spent so much money. 830 was a minimum bills we paid. So we needed to dig into the other envelopes and take 30 pounds extra from the different envelopes, which is disgusting. But yeah, that's how it looks in the winter months, and February usually is the worst of them. So those are the bills. And January, December, you see there is still some money left, but not in every one of them. My goal is to basically have 800 in each of those envelopes. So if I'm finished with the challenges, I'm going to stop them and we will see how it goes. But for now, that's all that we have. And there is some money left over, so there is some, this is 5 and some change, okay? So the change is going to go to the tabby. And I assume I can put this into a challenge. So I have 2 pounds and a 5 here. But yeah, I'm going to staff this 2 times over here. And let me paint that once. So, okay, so we're gonna staff 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so some challenges, we're working on them. I'm not going to close it because he needs to dry out, so I'm just going to pull that away. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for this first staffing, and we have a 1 left. So what are we going to do with it? I think I'm just going to stuff it in. No, I'm just going to leave it for the next staffing and we'll see how it goes. Thank you.